Hey Kat, it's Ben. So here's what I've done. I've taken my leg and first I cut it to the length that is going to be the finished length. In this case, I'm assuming a 30-inch tall table, and so I made this 29.25 inches, assuming I'm going to put 3/4 on top of it. And I have boxed it in. My leg started as a 4x4, in other words, 3.5 by 3.5 here. But because it's turned all the way to the bottom, it is not necessarily still 3.5 by 3.5 here. So in order for me to box this thing in and have common reference points, what I need to do is to figure out how to center that. And so I can use my speed square on my table saw, put that up against my hog's trough box that I've made that is the same width as the upper part, and I can see that there's a gap, and so now my job is to split that difference and shim in between. So if I shim with an 1/8 inch here, I can also test fit here, and it looks like about an 1/8 of an inch is what it'll do. So I can add an 1/8 of an inch there to one side, and then to make sure that it's centered, I can add another 1/8 inch underneath as well. So now the unit itself is centered within this box. That will be helpful for me so that then I can have use my hog's trough box as a common reference edge for my different routing procedures. Foremost in creating my mortises here. Notice too that I've got my mortises facing out in both faces. And so what I'm going to do next is lay out for my flat spot that's going to go here so that then I can route that in.